Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're gonna give you guys the end of the week update on the portfolio. We're gonna show you the buys as we usually do, and then we're gonna end the video there because all we're doing is doing it weekly. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So today the portfolio is closed out at $15,745.94, up $15.34 on the day, up 0.1%. For the 1 week, we're down $342.47, down 2.13%. For the 1 month, up $394.60, up 2.57%. For the 3 months, we're up $405.55, up 2.64%. For the 1 year, down $208.34, down 1.31%. And for the all, we're up $1,614.99, up 11.43%. Excuse me, I'm about to get the hiccups. We got $13.40 in the cash account. And yeah, we'll show you the buys here. Overall, the market was okay today. It wasn't anything exciting happening. So yeah, first thing is first, every week we do buy some Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF shares, fractional shares. So today it closed out at $95.48, down 30 cents on the day, down 0.31%. And we now hold almost exactly 15 shares of VFV. And our total position value today is $1,429.58, holds about 9.09% of the portfolio. So we'll go ahead and head down to the buy here. In the fractional buy here, we were able to get 0.2603 of a share at $96.03, coming out to $25 Canadian. So yeah, that is Vanguard. So every week when we buy a full share, we do put in $25 fractionally into Vanguard, the Vanguard S&P 500. So the next position we purchased this week was actually TELUS Communication, or TELUS Corporation, $28.10. This is a telecommunications company, so phone company or telecoms, whatever you want to call it. And one of the bigger ones in Canada that allows no competition, but a great company overall. They're down 3 cents on the day, down 0.11%. And we have now 53 shares, total position value of $1,489.30. Average price of getting in is $28.38, and it holds about 9.47% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $1.39, down 0.09%, and down $14.96 since starting this position, and down 0.99%. So today we were able to purchase a whopping 5 shares at the cost of $28.09, totaling $140.45 Canadian. And yeah, we bought 1 cent below what it closed out today. And yeah, huge gains. So yeah, that is the portfolio for the week. We will head over to trackyourdividends.com, which is a site is free to use that we use to track our dividends, of course. Oh, look at that. CIBC, better relationships, better business. CIBC Global Money Transfers for Business. Talking about CIBC, that now that it's come up. Oh, NBMO, look at that. The financial institutes are just advertising. This site is free to use as long as you have the advertisements on there. I don't pay for it. I don't want to pay for it. But it's nice to have. So it's free. So I'm not going to pay for it. Anyways, portfolio closing out without the updated positions at $15,511, up $1,517. Portfolio yield today, without the updated positions, if you're to build this portfolio exactly, would be 3.95%. Return on your investment. Our yield on cost is 4.38% because we use the strategy, of course, of dollar cost averaging. Annual income coming in at $613. Of course, some months you'll see are higher than others. So ticker symbol for TELUS is TELUS. And this is on the TSX. So we are in Canada, TELUS.TO, T.TO, 5 shares coming in at a whopping $28.09. And we'll go ahead and add these holdings. Oh, okay, hold on. $28.09, 5 shares, TELUS, and we'll go ahead and add those holdings. So those have been added, and we'll add one more, which is, it loads here, VFV.TO. Look at all those ads coming up, you know? It's just, it's quite, I guess they got to make money somehow, right? 0.2603 of a share at a cost basis of 96.03. Go ahead and add those holdings. And there, so now the portfolio is at $15,677. Portfolio yield still sits at 3.95. Ours is 4.38. You see an increase of annual income at up to $620 per year, of course, divided quarterly. And yeah, Vanguard S&P 500 almost at exactly 15 shares. We receive about $17.60 from them. Better yield for us with the strategy of dollar cost averaging. There was a point where the dividend yield was much higher than our yield on cost because we kept on buying at a higher price than what it closed out at and just kept on doing its thing. But dollar cost averaging is, of course, one of the most tried and true strategies when it comes to investing, especially for the long term. Okay. And so, yeah, and I'm not going to go into depth with that because I only have so much time to talk about stuff in videos. And next position is TELUS, 53 shares here, down 3 cents from the change there. Our average cost of getting in is $28.38 and profit of down $14.84. You would get a 5% yield today, which is actually really good, especially for a company that is maybe even considered a conglomerate in Canada. We are getting it, but yeah, we'll talk about that in another video, I guess. And our yield on cost is 4.95% with an annual income of $74.41 per year, of course, divided quarterly. So yeah, that is the portfolio there. One thing you'll probably notice is that there is 1 month or a few months, 4 times out of the year, highest paying months have really high, and there's like a disparity between the other few months. But on the site, you can actually see what is paying out, and sometimes it's not the most accurate, but it does what it needs to do. So $36 in December is expected, $89 in January, $30 in February, $36 in March. But of course, these will change as we move along. So there's a variance of 65.9. Our lowest dividend month is at $30. Our high says 89, average about $52. So you can see which ones are heavy. So we did just add to TELUS Corporation. Now you can see that it increases that, which increases this number. And the other months are a bit lighter than usual. There's 4 quarters that only have 2 companies in there that pay dividends, and those are 2 financial institutes, one being the biggest one, Royal Bank of Canada, and the other one being BMO. So yeah, that is trackyourdividends.com. But now we'll head over to ShareSite, which I already have done the updating for in this case. But yeah, I like to use this site because it's a bit more accurate. However, it doesn't track your dividends the way that trackyourdividends.com does. ShareSite does it in a more technical way, which is totally fine. I do pay for this one, so I'm not sponsored either. As you can see, there's no ads, but it's a really great site to use. So the reason I like to use this one is because it shows everything currency gain, dividends, capital gains, and puts it all in together and gives you the performance of the year for your portfolio, including those things, and not just capital appreciation or depreciation. So capital gains, we're down $1,053.81, down 6.37%. Dividends, we've received about $437.38, up 2.65%. Currency gain of $244.31, up 1.48%. This is because we hold US stock in the portfolio, and our total return is down $372.12, down 2.25%. Not too bad. Goal is actually just to hit 0 or even above 0 for the year 2022. as we come to a close here pretty soon. But yeah, that is the portfolio. As you can see here, the updated positions are already in there. TELUS at 53 and Vanguard S&P 500 ETF sitting at 14.9726. So yeah, that's it. That's the update. My phone shut off. Now you can just look at my humble abode. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy. I won't speak on anything else. Have a great weekend, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.